All right, YBN Nahmir, you ready to produce some heat today? We need a new song for your album.
Hey, I was trying to get like real versatile. You feel me?
All right, what you trying to get into?
So I was trying to try something new. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I could sing on this song.
All right.
So I've been writing some lyrics and stuff. I've been working on my vocals. You feel me? And I was trying to try something new on this one.
All right, for sure.
Cause I can't be rapping about street shit all the time. You know what I'm saying?
It's always worth a shot. We can just scratch it. You know what I'm saying? So.
Hey, play that beat that you played me like 3 days ago. I think you named it Soul Train. Yeah, play that one.
All right, bet.
If I gave you all my love,
I say, would that make you happy, baby?
would that make you happy?
It don't feel like I'm doing too much.
If I gave you all my love,
It don't feel like we doing too much.
would that make you happy?
It don't feel like we doing too much. It don't feel like we doing too much.
Every time I'm with you,
It don't feel like we doing too much.
every time I'm with you,
It don't feel like we doing too much.
every time I'm with you,
It don't feel like we doing too much.
every time I'm with you. I can give everything to ya, baby, will you bring it back to me? But I can't feel this way if you don't feel the same. When I glide, I slide, might slip around. If it come down to it, I'ma give it all. Make sure my mama's straight, now we can ball. Now I'm tryna be low-key and stay away from the bullshit. I gotta stay focused, I gotta stay focused. It's on my mind all the time. Who gon' ride when that time really come? I gotta stay focused, I gotta stay focused. I gotta stay focused, I gotta stay focused. It's on my mind all the time. I gotta stay focused, I gotta stay focused. If I gave you all my love,
I say, would that make you happy?
The fuck has this nigga become, bro?
It don't feel like I'm doing too much.
if I gave you all my love,
It don't feel like we doing too much.
would that make you happy?
Yeah, this my dumb ass fault. Why the fuck I'm making this damn beat? Fuck.
It don't feel like we doing too much. Every time I'm with you. It don't feel like we doing too much. Every time I'm with you.
Hey, that was some heat, bro.
Man, you already know, man. You already know. That going platinum, bro. Come on. Quit playing with me, bro. Quit playing with me, bro. Quit playing with me. I'm finna go get something to drink real quick.
All right, babe, give me a water bottle too, bro. I'm about to get my ass fired, bro. I'm about to get fired. This nigga finna get canceled, bro. Oh, Lord, this nigga fell off, bro. This nigga fell off. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God.